Okay, so in this video, I will show you how to switch from a Bearing Defender application to the Machine Defender application and vice versa in a very easy way. So let's assume you are using the Machine Defender and that your sensor is successfully connected to your app. For some reason, you may want to switch to the Bearing Defender application. For example, to listen to the bearing noise, to access to the Zigstrom, to pinpoint the exact RPM of the machine, or to access to the bearing database, for example. So I'm going to switch of app. Okay, so now I'm going to open the Bearing Defender app from my mobile device. So you see the app is starting, so you can see a step-by-step connection procedure. And here, despite the fact that the wireless sensor, you can see the LED is flashing, is still connected to your mobile device, it will never appear as connected to your Bearing Defender app as long as it is locked to the Machine Defender app. So to be able to connect it successfully to the Bearing Defender application, you must quit the Machine Defender application. So the easiest way is to just go into this multitask mode, just quit the app, and then go back to the Bearing Defender application. So now, well, there are some devices that can manage the reconnection automatically. So in a few seconds, you have to wait maybe about 15 seconds to reconnect. But let's assume, like in my case, you just have to go back through the standard Wi-Fi connection procedure. So from the Bearing Defender, you can just open the list of Wi-Fi and you reconnect to the wireless sensor. You don't have to type in the password again because potentially you already had it in your you're already connected in the past. And you just go back to the app, and here you can see you are successfully connected to the sensor. So if you just start, and you can see you can start your measurement and so on. So now to go back to the Machine Defender application, let's do the other way around. We will have a similar process. If you go back now, so I will stop and I will open my Machine Defender app from my device. So the app is starting, and you will be able to see from the settings that the sensor is disconnected. Despite the fact that the LED is still flashing, it is still successfully connected to your mobile device. So the reason is that the wireless sensor is locked with the Bearing Defender application. So in a similar process, you will have to disconnect from the Bearing Defender. So you just quit the application, and then you can go back to the Machine Defender application. But in most of the case, you will have to reconnect through the standard process to connect to the wireless sensor. So for the Machine Defender, you have to go through your list of Wi-Fi, select again the wireless sensor, the LED start flashing, and then you can just go back to the application, Machine Defender, and now the sensor will shortly appear as connected. And you can go and start measuring and making diagnostics.